Uri wa Bogo.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni okireire President William Ruto akimukuruhania na gũikio ngono kwa maabitha anene ruhonge-ini rwa maguta. Gachagua arauga matacoketie makinya maya thutha wa kwaga gwĩtĩkĩra gwĩka ũrĩa mutongoria wa bũrũri arenda. Kũringana na Gachagua, President Ruto ni arekuruhania na thogori ya indo cia maguta akimwĩkũĩra gũthoga mũbango wa thogori no gatagatĩ ga thirikari na thirikari ingĩ kana G2G. Kũringana na Gachagua, maabitha aya marendaga kugura maguta imwe kwa imwe kuri endia a maguta nigetha kugitira a Kenya kumana na thogora wa iguru wa maguta mugaru na wendi wa President. Aritici ari kaunti-ini ya Murang'a na Kiambu matũra-inĩ ma Maraba, Darasha ona Juja tauni kuria aranĩirie na mũingĩ.
So we are saying let the MD Kenya Pipeline, let the MD EPRA and let the PS go home. The only crime they have committed is to deny William Ruto more profit for the benefit of the people of Kenya. We also want to be fair to those officers. Those are patriotic Kenyans who wanted fuel to come at a reasonable price because G2G is fixed and the profit goes to William Ruto. That is the challenge that we are having as a country. The only way to stabilize prices is for William Ruto to do away with the 8% VAT and to remove the 7 shillings, which is fuel levy. But he doesn't want, because he wants profit. He wants fuel increase to be up to 40 shillings. And it will happen in the next few weeks. Per litre, it will go up to 40 shillings or even beyond. So we are calling him out. You have taken over every business in this country. So those people are in custody, not that they have committed any crime. They brought cheaper fuel for the country so that Kenyans do not suffer. They are patriots, they are heroes of this country. They are now in custody. The PS has been released because he's having some health challenges, but the rest are in custody. They will be taken to court on trumped up charges that they brought substandard fuel. But the truth of the matter is that they are in competition with William Ruto and they have denied him profit.